Yeah, good morning, students. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to complete our fifth unit in uh, innovation management, and this we are going to open with the role of individual and innovation. How the innovation is going to be takes place, and how the role of individual will be there in the innovation. So, in the last classes, we have learned about how the innovation is important for the organizational structure and how the individual is very important and the organization is very important for innovation. Today we are going to learn in our class. So first of all, we should have to know uh, what is the role of the individuals. So the individuals plays a very important role in the functioning of the organizations. He first of all, the individual should be a motivated person. He should have to play an important role, and he should have sufficient knowledge, skill, and creativity. Idea should be there. Then he can go for the innovation. Now, the role of individuals and networks of individuals in innovation. The workshop devoted a session on the role of individuals and teams in the innovative process, which has been less studied than the role of institution and organization. See, the workshops devoted the session of the role of individuals. What is the role of individuals and the team? That means individuals, teams, a combination of group of individuals which are working in a team for a same product or process or project, and with their own creativity, which has been less studied than the role of institutions. In the institution organizations, we are going to utilize this. So now, what is the role here? The individuals will play an important role in the fulfillment of the organization's goals. To fulfill the organization's goals, individuals plays a very important role for fulfilling the requirements and it's reaching to its aim. Like for example, the company is a manufacturing unit. When we are having, they want to change some alternate features in their manufacturing unit or in the design. So the individuals with the help of the technical team or the help of the technicians or motivator innovator, they will fulfill the requirement of the top level managers or the requirement of the organizations. So here the individuals are playing a very important role. So the organizations and individuals or the employees are like a two sides of a single coin, and their roles are working. Like we are having a head and tail is there in a coin. Like that, the employees and the organizations are like the same part. If you see the picture over here, how the organizational role analysis is, role is linked between the individual and the organization. This is the role of an individual and organization. When the role is matching, that means when the organization structures aim is matching with the individual, then it is known as the innovation of individual and organization is taking place because they are reaching to their goals. Now, what are the things? What are the various roles of individuals in an organizations? So, roles of individuals in the organization, like they can play the role of the project leader or manager, project champion. That means best employee award or best employee. Gatekeeper here means not the security guard. That means he's an external work who is working beyond the company. On behalf of the company, he will collect the information from the external sources, or he will provide the information to the organization with the help of external information. Technical and commercial scan. Technician means what are the commercial scanner means here not that machine one here. They will scan, they will check it. What sort of people are doing the work in a proper way or not. They will filter the employees within their organization. Then technical innovator, whatever the new things are to be maintained and innovator, the engineering department or the equipment development will be there. All these things will comes in the technical innovator. Now, project leader. So, as I was saying, that what is the role of the leader or work? He will be a planning for the resources. He will be a good planner. He will assemble and lead project teams. All the team should will work under him, and he is to manage the time, and he should have to manage the budget, and he should have to take place the budget. Now, quality and satisfaction, he should have to provide those goods or the service in the market that the quality should be good comparing with the other competitor, and the satisfaction level will be there from both the organization as well as the customer. That means win-win situation should be there from the customer side also, from the manufacturing within the organization, internal and external. Managers issues and risks. So there are a lot of issues will be there and risks will be there with the management. So he should have to tolerate and he should have to manage and he should have to come up with all those issues, and he will monitor and the progress should be good. The manager should have to monitor everyone or every line person or every structure who are working and taking place, and the progress he should have to focus on the progress of the work so that the work should not have to disturb the quality or the time or the output within a loss without loss payment. Now, he should have to collect the information, documentation, and reporting. He should have to report to his higher authorized people. And the same way, he should have to guide to his people by giving the documentation. Like he should have to guide them. He should have to give the information and passing with communicating in a proper way with his team. So these were the work of the project leader. Now, what is our champion? Among the individual one, the work has been satisfied with the organization head or the top level management, then the individual who is working, because with his efforts and hard work and innovation ideas, the company has been reached to so and so position in the market as well as monetary, that means financially, and as well as physically also, and the demand of the product has been increased. So that person, it is known as those work of an individual will bring to the champion project. That means who is the that XYZ or that XYZ employee is the champion for this so and so project for that time being. So all these things will be there. Next, we are having the gatekeeper. As I was saying, that gatekeeper means not that he will be take care. That means his work is to stop all the illegal terms or the issues or the factors which are going to be affected to the organization from outsider or external, either politically or some uncertainty kind of risk or some gossiping or mismanagement about the organizations. All these things will come under the gatekeeper. So what he will do, that means he is nothing but he will collect the information from magazines, journals, and from his colleagues and from the other champions, and he as from the seminars, and he will provide to his organization. He will evaluate it, then the design and verify will accept that, then they will launch a product and the life cycle management takes place. That means he will say, "Alright, we are manufacturing so and so units, so if you add these features also it will be better because our competitor has launched a product with this feature, so anyhow we are going to launch our product after a time being. If you add this feature also, then we will be safe from the competitor also, or we can also provide those features where the computer is providing for the customer sake." So all these things will be taking place naturally. So he is an external body person who is working outside. Technical commercial means he is also having the external driver. That means it's an information. Technically, he will design, he will realize the transformation, and he will resource, he will structure, organize the structure. He will go, will bring the those strategies for the growth of organizations, and he will bring the organizations out. He will mention his the goals, merits, demerits, mission, vision of the organization, and the strategies will takes place properly. Now, technical innovator, like technical innovator means what? A person who develops a new technology or the key skills to install and operate the technology. So he is the bringing the new idea or new good in the organization. That means totally it is the process of technically term. Product champion will be there, executive champion will be there. You may have already we have discussed before. Some it is there mentioned in written part also. After seeing this clip, you can able to understand what does it mean. Now, IT system, how IT system and their impact on innovation, how information technology system is showing impact on innovation. As information system is there, we are having TPS is there, MIS, DSS, ESS, that means management information system, decision support system. All this like innovation will be the innovation of what, product innovation is there, ideas, implementation of the new ideas, bringing the new ideas within the information. They will give information to the innovation, and the innovation system will provide the information to different departments. Again, the product innovation, again the information after collecting this, they will provide the product innovation will takes place. Again, in the product whatever the process innovation takes place, everything will be mentioned here. And this is the study model of the information system is affecting or impacting on the innovation. Now, information technology and innovation is an enterprise involves using technology in new ways to create a more efficient organization and improvement alignment between technology initiatives and business goals. Innovation is a human centered perspective and process. Innovation can be intangible as opposed to technology, which is tangible. So, you people can able to understand what I am reading here, what I had mentioned. No need of explanation, I think so. You can even apply the innovation process to your everyday life. Technology can be used to implement innovation, but the technology itself doesn't produce innovation. So, in the common parlance words, the sentences has been framed in such a way for your understanding. See, I want to explain what is there in the screen in this one sentence there. Innovation can't produce its uh, idea. We, the individuals, the IT information technology helps to implement the innovation, and the idea should be created by the individuals or organization, structure or teamwork. Now, we are having what are the benefits we are getting with the help of IT information. So it will the information technologies provide security to the innovation people so that the technology protects your business from cyber attacks and viruses and theft of the data from internal or external person. Efficiency, it will have it will the information technology work like efficiency to the innovation department, like it will work faster and make favor mistakes when you use technology to complete your work within a short span of time. You can complete the project with the help of this technology. And it will be an exposure. These days it is easy to gain brand exposure by hopping online and communicating with your target audience. So with your target audience, it is very easy to expose your product or brand name in the market with the help of different kinds of ads which we have done in our last classes, like pops ads, individuals, that means how they are focusing, visual, social media ads, all these things will be there by the help of social media. Only nowadays many people are getting an awareness is coming in the minds of the customer. Now it will improve communications with the help of IT technology. It will provide communication between the consumers as well as the manufacturers or the organizations. Whatever the defects and mistakes will be there, the IT will support to bring into the notice of the management of the organization. So this is the main work of information technology in the innovation. Now we will go for the last term, that is virtuous circular innovation. Here the cycle has been innovated. Why this cycle is important? See, in innovation the virtual cycle takes place between creating the people attraction. The people who are working internally as well as who are purchasing our product. For both the people, we need to create the attraction. Now the encouragement towards the creativity. When the creativity should be there, the encouragement should be there from each corner. Then innovative products development. When the creativity will finalized are done, then we have to implement that creativity in the work. And that should be developed in such a way that the product should have to get a new look or change in the market. Then desire to adopt new ideas. Not only that ideas, some more ideas which are going to be generated within the organization internally or outside the organization, from the customer side or from the competitor side or from some XYZ person. So all these things will be taking place with the help of the adaptations of new ideas. Then after to fulfill this, this innovation should be in high motivation and less frustration. The frustration should not be there. If frustration is there in the organization, the work will not go smoothly. Conflicts will start taking place. On the another hand or side, when the motivation is taking place, it will bring courage in the individual or in the team of the organization structures to build up or to work with the organization to fulfill their requirements. Next, it will increase morale and retention of innovation people. So the innovation, this information technology increase the morale and retention of innovative people. So what are the moral values will be there? What are the ethics are? knowledge of the particular book will be there, everything will take in place properly in such a way that it is not going to affect your organization. So innovation and R&D department is very helpful for fulfilling and fetching out all the requirements. And I hope students have understand the topic and concern. By this, we have completed our fifth unit and from the subject innovation management. So we have completed our innovation management subject totally 5 units. I hope students have understand the concept and topic. Please mention your roll numbers in the comment box and you give your feedback for your doubts or errors. Thank